morning, tubers. Look what we caught. Another bark scorpion. 2 in 2 weeks. That pisses me off. Yeah, he's not a happy little dude. Yeah. All right, the contingency plan is gonna eat this live. No. Seriously?
The tarantula is going to eat.
Actually, what we're gonna do is we're gonna have an unfair fist fight with a tarantula versus a scorpion. We're gonna cut the stinger off real quick, and then we're going to yeah, bastard, I would fucking shoot you right in the face if I could. We're going to feed it to the bitch. We're gonna give it to the bitch. All right, yeah, she'll take care of his little fucking red wagon. All right. So, form a pointer.
Just use these and snip it off.
Yeah.
I was going to dig a little hole to put the stinger in so we could bury it.
Oh, just throw it in the ashtray.
Really?
Yeah.
See, I'm like fucking paranoid about stingers, venom in them. I know you got to cut snakes' heads off. You got to bury them.
I'd throw them in a fire if I have one going. If I don't, yeah, bury it would be the hot tip.
That's crazy.
And that
Look at that little
tail.
Just that little thing that caused a hell of a
Dectomy. See how if you can see if.
Too close to your hand, dude.
Well, I don't know if it's coming.
Give me the willies.
Here.
Alright. Oh, shit.
Uh-oh.
Oh, he's gonna come out the other side. Ooh, dog.
I knew that wasn't gonna be a good move.
Really? He's under the...
Oh, he's under the wood?
Yes.
Oh, fucker.
Get him out.
All right, tubies, look. It's 6:18 in the morning, and Jackhammermike and the contingency plan are already starting shit.
This fucking thing. There we go. Alright. I can't fill my room. It's a shit sty.
Oh, I won't film it. I'll just keep it up on the ceiling, and then I'll just focus in on the box.
This little shit's been... Yeah, she's flying. She's not even gonna go right after her. She's up on the ceiling. For whatever reason, she thinks she needs to be upside down on the... I'm gonna so drop this dude. Here. Get off there. Get off there. Yeah, there you go. Get off there. Alright. She's gonna go nuts. Come on, don't disappoint.
By the way, this is the bitch spider that was up on her hind legs with her fangs exposed when she first got here. She was totally on the rag. And she doesn't look like she's...
Well, it's not moving.
It ain't moving.
As soon as it moves...
We kind of mangled it when it
I think it was...
got loose.
I think it was injured a little bit.
Can you flip them over?
Really? Are you not going to do anything?
Our scorpion is a showstopper. Alright, well, that's what we do for fun. Sort of. I mean, You just never know what the day's gonna bring. We have all this fantastic workbench room, mad scientist laboratory, garage. Look at that, steel plates, baby. Pretty soon you're gonna be able to see us shoot this shit. Well, target stands. Dartboard. Yes, I do play darts. Bristleboard darts. Real British pub darts. I don't use electronic darts. Here's from my last outing. My AR. I've got kind of the elevation okay. My group sucks, but that's at 100 yards off a wobbly barricade. My group is good, but it's shooting right. This is what I love about these, or shooting left. And I love these side-in targets because if you look at the top, you see the MOA and clicks there. It's on 3R roughly. Actually, it's really on between 1 and 2, so I'm about a click, maybe a click and a half to get it dead nut center. But yeah, you know, if we're not farting around with equipment, paracord, power tools, ammo. Oh, by the way, there's a ammo I bought, so I'm not that guy. 30-06 and 20 gauge, number 3 buck. Nice. Paper cutter for our backing. This is an upcoming video today. This is what we have in store for you guys in a little while after we get done wrangling scorpions and all. So, alright, with that I am